Adrika
And I am Charu.
from Ryan International School, Vasant Kunj,
And today we are going to propose solution for two problems.
that are water contamination and air pollution. Over 2 billion people have no safe drinking water. Every year, 1.7 million children die under the age of 5 due to poor sanitation and no safe drinking water.
Our project uses phytoremediation, which is a process where plant roots absorb heavy metal toxins from wastewater. The roots act as biological filters, drawing the metals in and chelating them. Through chelation, the metal binds with special ligands, forming less toxic, stabler compounds. This helps restore the water quality over time. We chose three strong plants based on their efficiency, that are hemp, sorghum, and vetiver. Each channel has two independent pumps to keep the water circulating and maintain oxygen levels. On top, we placed hollies, which are thermocol sheets in which we cut holes and inserted net cups, through which only the roots of the plants are exposed to the wastewater.
आपको क्या लगता है कि जो दिल्ली का गंदा पानी है क्या वो पेड़ पौधों को नुकसान पहुंचाता है?
हाँ जी, जो दिल्ली का पानी है ये बहुत नुकसान पहुंचाता है पेड़ पौधों में। पेड़ पौधे खराब हो जाते हैं, सड़ जाते हैं इसकी वजह से।
Every day we get stuck in traffic, not always because of too many cars, but because the traffic signals don't work smartly. They work on set timers, so even if one lane is empty and another is packed, everyone still has to wait.
Our project fixes this with smart cameras that actually watch the roads in real time. The system can see how many cars are in waiting and then decide which lane should move first. In case of fire trucks or ambulances, that particular lane gets the green signal first, saving a lot of time. Here you can see how a green signal is given to the lane with two cars, but as soon as an ambulance is detected, that lane is immediately given a green signal.
What has been your experience with the traffic that we experienced during dispersal time?
So it is like a little bit chaos, which I feel, and at the time of dispersal, there must be some manual management because traffic light is there, but still people are not following.
Both the systems, Phytofix and Smart Traffic Regulation for Integrated Driving Emission, that is STRIDE, can bring a change not only in our locality but help reach a better climate all over if brought to their correct use and potential. We, the young minds striving to make the world a better place, have taken a step to bring a change. So let us all join together to unite and empower climate change.